Today, I'd like to start by giving an introduction regarding Electronic Laboratory Notebook. Cyberline Co. Ltd. has provided the optimal solution, which is developed with our own technical skills, which includes Electronic Laboratory Notebook, Research Process Management, and Project Management System to improve efficiency and research performance of a research institute. Cyberline is the specialty company of research management to consult on the research business of the public, contributed, private research institute and to construct the research management system. Also, Cyberline is the specialty company to construct the integrated research management system based on the main solutions such as ELN, PMS, and RPM. Almost all of the researchers in the many institutions have handwritten the laboratory notebooks, as research results has taken much effort. The handwritten laboratory notebooks will be reviewed to ensure the compliance of the research process. Furthermore, much time and effort will be taken on the administrative procedures, including approval, signing, and registration of the research results. Cyberline Estelle ELN provides convenience by batch processing all the complicated handwritten laboratory notebook into simple steps of the note-taking, PDF standardization, time-stamping, and authentication of signature. Furthermore, Estelle ELN provides the convenience functions of joint reading, searching, recording, storing, and editing the notebooks to improve the research performance. Cyberline's Estelle ELN has the flexible and expandable system architecture with the e-government's standard framework and web-based architecture. In other words, standard linkage with related system is possible, and it is developed in a general and open language. Modularization of components makes it easy to maintain and also has the flexibility to an institutional environment, making it easy to customize. Also, it supports UX, UI, and hybrid apps in mobile environments. Cyberline's Estelle ELN is made up from component-based, and it supports various technical functions such as security enhancement with blockchain, cloud web service, expandability, and compatibility with other systems. Cyberline's Estelle ELN has applied the smart contract to prevent forgery and improve the performance for linkage with laboratory notebook, which is real-time service. On top of this, it has applied the blockchain technology to prevent the forgery of electronic laboratory notebooks by having formed the block for metadata of research information. Estelle ELN complies with the conditions for ensuring public confidence of documents written in electronic form by complying with US FDA's CFR 21 Part 11. In addition, we carry forward to introduce the international standard for global business, to secure the international effectiveness and acquire the various certifications required for global standard certification. Cyberline's Estelle ELN is the HTML5 responsive system, which can handle the various tasks by mobile, such as customized dashboard, as well as registration, search, browse, and can download the laboratory notebooks. Cyberline's Estelle ELN secures security with timestamp and blockchain technology and interworks between systems with optimized interface implementation for each institution. In addition, the Estelle ELN complied with ISO international standards, which has acquired GS certification. Also, to be the global solution, we are continuing to advance the development of convenient functions necessary for research. The researchers can make laboratory notebooks by attachment of documents created with the document tool, and the professional integrated web editor provides customized components for each field and can be dragged and dropped to create notes quickly and conveniently. Also, to use a professional editor, template settings, various sample pages required for writing notes, and customized snippets based on institutions' characteristics, and improve the convenience of research performing. Provide institutional customized electronic laboratory notebook formats and forms as the default templates that are frequently used by institutions. Using the built-in electronic laboratory notebook templates and institution customized templates, one can effectively express the contents of your research results in the creation of laboratory notebooks, as well as significantly reducing the writing time. Estelle ELN Editor provides customized snippet and convenience features for each sector and organization. Expanded editor functions include various expanded components such as analytical data processing and diagramming, animal experiment support, image marketing, etc. Hence, customized note-making is possible for each institution. Estelle ELN Editor offers various structures and elemental molecular drawing functions. Drawing functions is continuously improving and updating, and it is saved in the form of image. First, after creating the document files by using the commercial programs, one can create laboratory notebook by uploading files through the Estelle ELN's creation function via file and convert it to PDF A1 for long-term preservation. Second, after dragging and dropping the template and snippet in the integrated editor, raw data is analyzed by the graph creation function, and the graph is automatically created. Lastly, edit and rearrange data and add molecular formula information by the functions of molecular structure editing. An electronic document that received a timestamp through the Estelle ELN proves that a laboratory notebook has been created and exists at a specific time. After the timestamp, the laboratory notebook and intellectual property rights are secured the public confidence by proving that the data has not been changed. When you register a laboratory notebook using a file type or an integrated editor in an electronic laboratory notebook system, the conversion of standard structure, metadata insertion, recorder electronic signature, and timestamp of laboratory notebook are automatically executed in a batch. You can search for laboratory notebooks by keywords, title, research period, etc. from meta-search to editor body. Notebooks can be viewed quickly through the security viewer on the web without having to download the file because all pages are converted to images. Notebook checks are ultimately stored on the server of the institutional system through the identification of the contributors contributing to the study and the inspector's inspection procedures. In the basic joint reading that gives the joint reading authority when writing a laboratory notebook, it is possible to joint read a laboratory notebook by simple list inquiry. In request to joint reading, there is a function to search for laboratory notebooks without an authority to browse by title, keywords, and contents of notebook, and to collaborate with people to browse for a period of time and collect opinions. You can search by various criteria classification method, such as research project, creation period, status, note title, research supervisor, text search, classification map, and it supports auto-completion function of search query. Estelle ELN Edit includes a variety of extensions and linkage modules based on the standard framework. With this flexible structure, raw data, stored in various experimental equipments, can be constructed so that it can be easily utilized in electronic laboratory notebooks. A notebook check function is one of the important functions in an electronic laboratory notebook, and the procedure in which a researcher who has written requests is forwarded to a high-level inspector to perform a check and the final approval step. It provides a function to process of approval, rejection, and statement registration with quick review on inspection tasks that can be repeatedly performed on one web screen without moving the actual screen. CyberLine's Estelle ELN systematically manages the research results and enhances the efficiency of the work by safely protecting the information of the research and development while using the accumulated research results conveniently. Through this, the Estelle ELN helps all researchers at research institutions to maximize the performance of their research activities. Thank you very much for listening.